Alright, welcome to my channel. This is Chuck. What I'm working on today is this Chubb Battleship. I do have a key for it. I've been having a bit of trouble getting caught into the anti-pick notches, and once you do that, you pretty much have to reset. And there's also a locking bar that comes across that you have to deal with and get it to reset before you can start again. So give it a try. I've actually kind of more comfortable doing it sideways, so I'll try to keep it where you can somewhat see what I'm doing, but just want to feel each lever, giving it a nudge. The way I'm applying tension is I'm using this hand to push against the mat. Just kind of gives me a really good hold on the lock. I believe I fell into an anti-pick notch. It was 2, 3, 4. Yeah, they're all locked up. So reset, and I don't know if you can see it, but let's see. There is a lever when you're picking that comes across that can prevent you from getting your lock pick out that you have to get to reset. And I found out, there we go. You just kind of get your tension and arm to get on like 4 or 5, and it'll release it. So I'll start over. Try to get that glare out of the camera. Oh my goodness. We are open. Oh, thank goodness. I've been fighting with this thing for some time. So what I'd like to do now, if I can do it, is, well, I need to lock it back. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lock this, but I'm going to lock it with the shackle open. And I am going to try to show you what I'm going through with this little camera recommended to me by that lady lock's kind of shut off. So, and if I can, I'll get everything in here first. All right. So I'm gonna see if turn my light. Maybe that'll make it a little better. All right. So if this records, I may picture-in-picture this. Okay. So, all right. So you can see all 6 levers right there. There's lever 1. Let's see. There's 2. All right. I think 1 just filling a gate. Five is binding, so I can get it up. All right. Go back. 1 still feels jiggly. 2's. Even looking through a camera, this is not an easy lock to. There we go. See, 1's still jiggly. 2's binding. For some reason, I feel like I'm in anti-pick, so I'll try to yep, they're all staying up, so I'm gonna reset. So let's try this again. Make sure everything's in right. All right. 1's jiggly. 2, 3, 4, 5's binding. Click out of 5. Six is jiggly. 1's binding. Click there. We'll click out of 5 again. I think 2, yep, 2's binding. Okay, I dropped 5. There we go. Fairly close. There we go. And we're open again. So let me pull this camera out. And even though the shackle was already open, so, but I figured you'd like to see that. This is a very difficult pick. Lock it back up. So, all right. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching.